Welcome to the Gamma Brief by GEXLog.com. I am your host, Alex. At the Gamma Brief, we don't trade the headlines, we trade the structure. Every morning, we strip down market mechanics, gamma exposure, dealer flows, and volatility regimes, so you can trade the math and not the noise. As always, this is market intelligence, not financial advice. Let's get into the levels. February 24th, 2026, 6:45 a.m. Eastern, ES futures are holding at 68.60. The VIX is pinned above 21 and the market structure is signaling distress. We are one headline away from a liquidity event. If 6,800 breaks, the floor is gone. We are in a negative gamma regime. Dealers are short options. Let me be clear about the mechanics. Dealers are forced chasers. They must sell into every dip to hedge and buy into every rip to cover. In this environment, volatility is not suppressed, it is amplified. Momentum begets momentum. Do not look for mean reversion today. If price starts trending, the hedging floors will pour gasoline on the fire. We are not in a chopping range. We are in an acceleration zone. Let's map the battlefield. The put wall is at 6,800. This is your hard deck. Below that, dealer selling pressure accelerates rapidly. The call wall is up at 7,000, but that feels a world away right now. Our immediate pivot is 68.60, essentially where we are trading right now. Immediate resistance sits at 68.39. 69.38, rather. The neutral zone is non-existent. We are fighting right at the edge of a cliff. Overnight action was driven by a massive policy shock. The Supreme Court struck down the administration's emergency import tariffs. While theoretically deflationary, potentially unlocking $70 billion in refunds, the market is treating this as pure uncertainty. We saw a knee-jerk risk-off move with ES gapping down nearly 1% before a modest stabilization. Gold ripped to 5,200, a 2% flight to safety move, while Treasury yields compressed. Traders are nervous about the administration's Plan B response to the ruling. Here is your risk radar. The board is lit up. At 10 a.m. Eastern, we get CB consumer confidence. This is a high-impact event. In a negative gamma regime, a miss here could trigger an immediate flush to that 6,800 put wall. We also have a parade of Fed speakers. Goolsbee, Bostic, Waller, Cook, all before noon. The asymmetry is to the downside. Fear is easier to sell than hope right now. Strategically, income strategies are dead in the water. Selling iron condors here is unaliving yourself. You want convexity. You want defined risk, directional exposure, debit spreads, or verticals. You need to be long gamma, not short it. Let the dealers chase the price. You just need to catch the ride. Bottom line, structural instability is high. Watch the 10 a.m. data print. If it's bad, the dealer flush will be violent. The regime is primed for a flush. One bad print and the trapdoor opens. Levels set, buys defined. Good luck out there. If this data helps you see the board more clearly, hit that subscribe button to keep the Gamma Brief in your daily rotation. For the full dashboard, head on over to GEXLog.com. A reminder, this briefing is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here constitutes investment advice. Derivatives trading involves high risk and is not suitable for everybody. Trade your own plan.